All right, I got another one for you here, the guide block, simple part drawing. This time I'm going to draw the sketch from the right side, extrude it all the way back, and then I'll do a remove from the top to get this cut out, and we'll have our two holes like we had previously using the hole feature. All right, so on the side here, I have the overall dimension, which is all the way over here. I'm going to do 2.5, well, that's 1.5 inches, and then I'll do this rectangle down here. So sketch, right side, N to normalize my view, P to turn off planes. I'm going to do a center point rectangle here, pull this over, and we are 2.5 by 1.5, enter. And then I'll throw down a corner rectangle, hitting the baseline here, pulling this over. And this guy is 1.5, enter by 0.5, enter. You'll notice we're still undefined by the sides, and that's because we need to place this 1/2 inch distance there. So I'll go over here to dimension, and I'll pull this guy to there, 0.5, enter. Now, I'm just going to leave this. I could trim the bottom, but you'll see it probably is going to undefine something, yep. So it doesn't actually matter. We can just leave this, and then when I actually make my extrude, I'm just going to choose the top. So watch, green check mark, Shift 7, extrude. Now instead of clicking over here, for instance, to do the whole sketch, I'm just going to choose this area and not choose the base. See? Symmetric. Let me zoom out a touch. And my full distance of this whole thing is 5. So I will extrude this whole thing 5. And symmetric, so my origin's still in the middle. And green check mark. So you'll see now I have most of the clamp or guide block. I'm missing a sketch on the top to do the remove. So I'll do a second sketch here. Sketch. I'll click on this top face because that's where I'm going to draw it on. And to normalize my view, I'll do another center point rectangle. Again, this is why we had origin in the middle. And I'll just click, hit escape because I don't want to set any of the parameters. And you'll see that side's defined because of my width. I clicked on it, but these are not. And these are defined by a width over here as a 1/2. So over here, I'll do a dimension from here to here, 0.5, enter. Did both sides first because we did a rectangle center point. So now I'm fully defined. We just need to place 2 points for our hole. It's centered on the object this way. So if I actually do an extension line here, click, click, they're undefined because of the spacing between the sides. And those are located here and here. So dimension here to here is 1.25, enter. And from here to here is 1.5, enter. And now we're fully defined. I didn't need to do the other dimension because I did the extension from the origin and we're centered. So now I can hit the green check mark. I'll hit Shift 7 again just to make it easier to see what I'm doing. Extrude, but this time I'm going to do a remove. I'm going to remove this sketch. So I moused over here and you'll see there's our rectangle. Now it's asking us how far down are we going to do the remove, and that's right here. It's a 1/2 inch. So the remove over here is 0.5, enter. Green check mark. We removed it down. Look at that. Slice through. Only thing left is our holes. Onshape turns off our sketch once we used it, so let's turn it back on real quick. Hole, and I'm going to choose 1, 2, and then how big are our holes? They are 3/4. So over here, I will choose 3/4. Green check mark. Turn off our sketch. There it is. Let's check our volume. Let's see if we got it correct. 9.558 inches cubed. All right. Good luck. Have fun.